There are some financial habits that we do every single day that stealthily build our wealth without us even realizing it. And today, I want to talk about exactly that. So grab a pen and a notebook and get ready, because I'm going to share with you 6 every day. Secrets are 6 financial habits that we do every single day that stealthily builds our wealth. No one. Small gains. Most people have never been taught how to manage their money, so they just go to work, earn a salary, and spend everything they earn. But if you can adopt a mindset of making small gains in your finances each and every day, over time these small gains will add up to significant wealth. It's like the snowball effect. So by doing little things each day, such as saving an extra $10 or cutting back on unnecessary expenses, it may not seem like much at first, but over time it all adds up and creates a snowball effect. So instead of thinking in terms of occasional big wins, focus on making small, consistent gains in your finances every single day. This will set you up for long-term success. No. 2. Live below your means. If you want to build wealth, you must live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. It's one of the most basic principles of personal finance, yet most people struggle to follow it because they are re-influenced by the society that encourages them to spend more and buy more stuff. So you see all of these advertisements, billboards, TV, Instagram, Facebook, all trying to persuade you to buy more stuff. However, when you live below your means, you won't be swayed by these marketing tactics. You will be able to save a portion of your income each month and invest it to grow your wealth over time. For example, let's say you earn $4,000 per month and your expenses are $3,000 per month. That means you have $1,000 left over. Now you can either spend that $1,000 on unnecessary items, or you can save it and invest it. If you choose to save and invest it, then over time your investments will start to grow, and you will have more money than you would have if you had spent it. No. 3. Automate your savings. One way to ensure that you live below your means and save money is to automate your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month, you can also automate your savings by setting up direct deposits into your retirement accounts, such as a 401k. This way you won't even notice that the money is missing from your paycheck, because it is done automatically behind the scenes. In fact, the best practice is to automate your savings before you even have a chance to spend it. So as soon as you get paid, a portion of your income should be automatically directed towards your savings or investment accounts. And by automating your savings, you can free up mental space to focus on other aspects of your life. You don't have to constantly think about whether or not you're saving enough. You know that you've got it all taken care of, and you can rest easy knowing that you're rebuilding your wealth without even thinking about it. Number 4, keep learning. One of the keys to building wealth is to keep learning and improving your financial literacy. The more you know about personal finance and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and build your wealth. Fortunately, there are tons of resources available to help you on this journey. There are books, podcasts, YouTube videos, and financial blogs that can teach you everything you need to know about personal finance and investing. So here are a few suggestions for books to get you started. Start with the basics, such as Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover or Financial Peace. These books will teach you how to get your finances in order, pay off debt, and build an emergency fund. Once you've got the basics down, you can move on to more advanced topics such as investing in real estate or the stock market. Some great options for these topics include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Whatever your level of financial literacy, there are plenty of resources out there to help you learn and improve. So take advantage of them and commit to continuous learning. Set aside time each day to read, listen to podcasts, or watch financial education videos. And don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Reach out to a financial advisor or mentor who can guide you on your journey towards financial success. Remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So be patient, stay focused, and keep learning. No. 5. Seek multiple streams of income. If you really want to build wealth, it's important to seek multiple streams of income. While it's possible to build wealth on a single income, having multiple streams of income can significantly accelerate the process. The truth is that the majority of the world's millionaires and billionaires didn't get there with just one source of income. They built their wealth through multiple streams of income that brought in a steady flow of cash. Just consider what your skills and passions are and explore different ways to monetize them. For example, if you love writing, you could start a blog or offer freelance writing services. If you're good with numbers, you could become a bookkeeper or accountant. If you're creative, you could start a design business or sell your artwork online. And if you're passionate about a particular topic, you could create and sell online courses. Starting a side hustle doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the rise of the internet and technology, there are countless opportunities to make money online with minimal startup costs. So, for instance, you could start an Etsy shop and sell digital products such as printable wall art or planners. Or you could offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork, where businesses are always looking for freelancers to help with various projects. And don't forget about the power of affiliate marketing, where you can promote other companies' products and earn commissions on any sales you drive. It's important to note that when you diversify your income streams, you're also diversifying your portfolio of skills and knowledge. This means that if one income stream dries up, you still have others to fall back on. Plus, you'll be better positioned to weather any economic storms that may come your way. So if you're serious about building wealth, don't rely on just one income stream. Explore the many opportunities available to you and start building that diversified income portfolio today. And no. 6. Protect your assets. When it comes to building wealth, it's crucial to protect your assets. This means taking steps to safeguard your income, investments, and property against potential threats such as theft, damage, or loss. The reality is that unexpected events can happen at any time, and it's important to be prepared. So let's talk about some practical ways you can protect your assets. First, make sure you have adequate insurance coverage for your home, car, and other valuable possessions. Insurance can provide financial protection in the event of an accident, disaster, or theft. It's essential to have the right coverage to ensure that you're not left with significant financial burdens in case something goes wrong. Secondly, take measures to secure your home and valuables. This may include installing security cameras, motion sensor lights, an alarm system, or other safety features that can deter potential intruders or prevent accidents. It's also wise to keep important documents and valuables in a safe or safe deposit box to protect them from fire, flood, or theft. Additionally, be cautious about sharing information about your assets or financial situation with others. This can help prevent identity theft and other types of fraud. By taking these steps to protect your assets, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're safeguarding your hard-earned wealth and taking steps to secure your financial future. Now, check out these 8 surprising habits that keep you broke. Also, check out this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share with a friend, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.